Welcome to the mathematics class, my dear students. In the previous class, we are already learned about the operations of sets, like union of sets, intersection of sets, difference of sets, and also disjoint set. In this class, we learn about the complement of a set. What is complement? Let U is one of the universal set and capital A is a subset of universal set. U is the universal set. A is a subset of universal set. Then the complement of A is the set of all elements of complement of A is the set of all elements of U which are not the element of A. That means the complements of a set is denoted and defined as A dash equal to an element X belongs to U but not in A. Not belongs to A. That is A dash is equal to U minus A. That means a difference of set in terms of difference of sets. So can you give an example here? U is the 1 to 10. A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. That is odd numbers. Then A dash is the U minus A, that is even number. Simply we can write for this example in terms of Venn diagram. A is 1, A is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. A dash is 2, 4, 6, 8, 10. This is A dash. Okay. Next, some properties of a complement of a set. The first one is complement law. First one is complement law. That is A union A dash is equal to universal set. A union A dash equal to universal set. Similarly, A intersection A dash is equal to empty. A union A dash, that is universal set. But intersection, there is no common elements in A and A dash, hence it is empty. And second one is De Morgan's law. Second one is De Morgan's law. That is A union B whole dash is equal to A dash intersection B dash. The second one, A intersection B whole dash is equal to A union A dash union B dash. Very simple. Once again, De Morgan's law. A union B whole dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. Second one, A intersection B whole dash equal to A dash union B dash. That is, the complements of the union of two sets is the intersection of their complements, and the complement of intersection of two sets is the union of their complements. That's all. And the third one property is the law of double complement. That is, A dash whole dash is equal again A. The fourth property is law of empty set. Empty dash is equal to universal set. U dash is equal to empty set. Okay. Next exercise. Problems. Question number 33. U equals 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A equals 1, 2, 3, 4. B equals 2, 4, 6, 8. And C equals 3, 4, 5, 6. Find A dash. So we can write A dash. The definition of A dash is U minus A. Then what happens? U minus A. Okay. So A is 1, 2, 3, 4. Hence we get 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. B dash. B dash can be written as universal set minus D. Here 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Then remaining elements 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Okay. Next, A intersection C all dash. So it can be written as U minus A intersection C. So A intersection key C can be written as A intersection C. The common elements are 3, 4. Then we can difference from universal set. So except 3, 4, we get 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay. Here A union B hold as, that is U minus A union B. So A union B can be written as here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Okay. Next, U minus A union B. So 1, 2, 3, 4, we get 5, 7, 9. That's all. Next, A dash hold dash, that is U minus A dash. A dash is here 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Then we get finally 1, 2, 3, 4. And next question is B minus C hold dash, that is U minus B minus C. So B minus C can be written as B minus C. What happened? That is 2, 4 is there, 6 is there, then 8. So from U minus B minus C is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. Okay. Next, question number 34. U equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. Find the complement of each of the following sets. So A, B, C here, then A dash is equal to D, E, F, G, H. Similarly, B dash can be written as A, B, C. C dash can be written as D, C is there, D, F, H. D dash can be written as B, C, D, E. That's all. Next, question number 35. Taking the set of natural number as the universal set. First, you have to consider universal set is equal to natural number. Natural number is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and so on. Write down the complements of the following set. Look here, my dear students, in the question number 35, all the problems are in the form of set builder. That means set builder form. So you have to answer, you should answer in the set builder form. Okay. First question, x such that x is an even natural number. Then the complement is x such that x is an odd natural number. Odd natural number. Next, x such that x is an odd natural number. So x such that x is an even natural number. Next, x such that x is a positive multiple of 3. So complement is x is not a positive multiple of 3. X such that x is a prime number. X such that x is not a prime number. That is complement. Next question, x such that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5. The complement is x such that x is a natural number not divisible by 3 and 5. Okay, we have to put not in between number and divisible. Okay. Next question, x is a perfect square. X is not a perfect square. Here, x is a perfect cube. So, x is not a perfect cube. So, in this case, x equal to 8 minus 5, that is equal to 3. Okay. So, x such that x is not equal to 3. Here, 2x equal to 9 minus 5, that is 2x equal to 4, x equal to 2. So, x such that x not equal to 2. Here, x such that x is greater than or equal to 7. The complement is x less than 7. Finish. Okay. Any doubts? Next question. X belongs to n 2x plus 1 greater than 10. That is 2x greater than 10 minus 1. 2x greater than 9. X is greater than 9 by 2. So x such that x belongs to n and x less than or equal to 9 by 2. Okay. And next questions and 2 marks questions. So please mark it 2 marks question for your examination. Okay. The first one is A union B all dash. You have to find out A union B first. Then what happen A union B? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay. Next. A union B all dash can be written as U minus A union B. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So 9 is there. Equation number 1. Next I want A dash. A dash is universal set minus A. Then we get 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. So B dash. U minus B. So 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So A dash intersection B dash. Then what happen? 1 comma 9 is common element. From 1 and 2, A union B all dash equal to A dash intersection B dash. Hence the De Morgan's law holds. So second question, do it yourself. Okay. And the question number 37 is your assignment question. So do it yourself. and send your homework. Draw appropriate Venn diagrams for each of the diagram. That is De Morgan's law figures. Okay. So A union B hold as A dash intersection B dash, A intersection B hold as A dash union B dash. Do it yourself. Okay. Next question. Question number 38. Let U be the set of all triangles in a plane if A is set of all triangles with at least one of the angle different from 60 degree. So here you know very well now the number of triangles are there. So out of the triangles, at least one of the angle is different from 60 degree. Then what is A dash? Very simple. So all angles are equal. That is equilateral triangle. So set of all equilateral triangles. Very simple. Okay. And the next question is, so you know the properties of the complements of the set. A union A dash always can be written as universal set. So pi dash is always equal to universal set. Then universal set intersection A is always A. Okay. Next question. A intersection A dash. A intersection A dash is always empty set. So U dash is always equal to empty set. So empty intersection A is always empty. Okay. Next, practical problems on union and intersections of two sets. Here, capital A and B and C are the three sets, or also finite sets. Then the formula becomes N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B. If A intersection B equal to empty, then the number of elements in A intersection B what happens? 0. Okay. And the next one is N of A union B equal to N of A plus N of B minus N of A intersection B. And N of A union B union C equal to N of A plus N of B plus N of C minus N of A intersection B minus N of B intersection C minus N of C intersection A plus N of A intersection B intersection C. Okay. 3 marks questions. On this concept, you have a one question for 3 marks. So please keep it in your mind and mark it. All are 3 marks questions. Sir, X and Y are the two sets such that X union Y has 50 elements. So given. Okay. N of X union Y has 50 elements, that is 50. Okay. And X has 28 elements. So N of X has 28 elements. And Y has 32 elements. So N of Y has 32 elements. How many elements does X intersection Y have? That is X intersection Y question mark. So you know very well the formula X, N of X union Y is equal to, replace A by X, B by Y. N of X plus N of Y minus N of X intersection Y. So that is 50, 28, 32, N of X intersection Y. You have to find out. So minus N of X intersection will transfer to the left side, then plus N of X intersection Y, 28 plus 32, 60 minus 50. Then what happened? So N of X intersection Y is equal to 10. So question number 41 and 42 same as it is. So do it yourself. 41 and 42. You have to do yourself. And question number 43. 43. In a group of 400 people, 250 can speak Hindi, 200 speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? My dear students, in the definition of union and intersection, the term "and" is belongs to intersection, or belongs to union. Okay. So now total number of people are n of here Hindi and English. So H union E is equal to 400 students. Out of 400 students, 250 people speak Hindi and 200 speak English. How many people can speak both Hindi and English? That is, you have to find out n of H intersection and is there. So n of H union E is equal to n of H plus n of E minus n of H intersection E. So n of H union E 400, n of H is 250 plus n of E is 200 minus n of H intersection E. So transfer to the left side, n of H intersection E is equal to 450 minus 400. Then the 50 people can speak both Hindi and English. Okay. And the next question, 44. If S and T are two sets such that S has 21 elements, T has 32 elements, S intersection T has 11 elements, comma, how many elements does S union T have? So it is also a simple problem. Do it yourself. Okay. Next, question number 45. It is also one of the simple question. So here given n of X union Y has 60 elements, n of X has 40 elements, n of X intersection Y has 10 elements. We have to find out n of Y. So formula n of X union Y is equal to n of X plus n of Y minus n of X intersection Y. So n of X union Y 60, n of X 40 plus n of Y you have to find n of X intersection Y is 10. Okay. So here 60, 40 minus 10, 30 minus 30 is equal to n of Y. Then n of Y equal to 30. Okay. So in the next class I will continue questions from 46. It may be finished in the next video. So you have to prepare for your test and do it yourself, some problems what I am given to you. So be prepared. It's very easiest and simple chapter. Okay. Thank you.